Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change the wireless channel and configure Wi-Fi password for your network on D-Link router. So first we should know the Wi-Fi, first we should know the router's IP address in order to log in and do the settings. So in order to find the IP address of your D-Link router, just go to one of your working computers and type CMD in the search box, and you see command prompt on the screen. Just open it and please type in ipconfig. So once you type ipconfig, hit enter, and you would see these details on the screen. You see IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. So what we need is the default gateway here. So the D-Link's router IP address is 192.168.1.1. So please make a note of this IP address and just minimize the screen and go to the address bar of any browser and just type in 192.168.1.1 and hit enter. So it took me straight to my router page. For you, if it asks you to enter username and password, then you have to enter the username and password to log into this router page. For most of the routers, the default username and password is admin and admin. So username is admin and the password is also admin. But if you had configured some password for your router, then you have to enter that password to log into the router page in order to do the settings. So once you log into this router page after typing your username and password, so you see various options here like setup, advanced, maintenance, status, help. So what you have to look here is you have to look for the wireless setup. So if you see here under setup, you see wireless setup. So if you put your cursor on wireless setup, you see these options: wireless basics and wireless security. So please click on wireless basics. So once you click on wireless basics, you see the channel number here. So the default channel number for any for any router is auto. So you can just change the channel to if you click the drop down box, you see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So yeah, you can select one of these channels and click apply changes. So if your channel number is auto, please change it to some channel like 1 or 6 or 11 or 2, any number, and yeah, and click apply changes. But if you would also like to change the name of the network, then if you see this option here, SSID, it's service set identifier. So it is the name of the network. If you want to put some if you want to mention some nice network name, you can just mention it here and change the channel number and click apply changes. And once you do this, it would save the details on your router, and that would be reflected to all your Wi-Fi devices in the network. Now if you want to change the wireless password on your network, then what you have to do is just go to wireless setup again. Now instead of clicking wireless basics, please click on wireless security, and once you click on wireless security, now you see these different options coming up on the screen. So you see encryption type here. Once you click the drop down box, you see WEP, WPA, WPA AES, WPA to AES, WPA to TKIP, WPA to mixed. So please select WPA to AES, and yeah, and right next to the appreciate key, please enter the password. It is really good if you have alphanumeric password instead of just numbers. So yeah, please enter the appreciate key. If you want to add special characters as well, you can do it in the appreciate key, so that the password would be really, really difficult to crack for some person. And yeah, it's highly recommended here to use WPA2 security instead of WEP, because WEP is not so secured encryption type. WPA2 is really highly secured encryption type. So please select WPA2 and and put the password here and then click apply changes. So once you click apply changes, then please go back to your computers and you would be finding the new network name, because you had changed it a few minutes ago. So you would be finding the network name, and you should also enter the new password. So once you type the new password, you will be connecting, you will be connected to the internet immediately. So yeah, this is all about the video, guys. So yeah, if you uh, if you want to check the status of your router, you can uh, you can just come here, click on status. Under device info, you can click on wireless clients, and you can see how many computers are connected to your Wi-Fi router. So these are all the devices which are connected to my network. So if you want to find out like who all are really connected to your network, then you can come here and see, like, if you have four devices at home, and if you see four devices here, then it is absolutely fine. But if you have four Wi-Fi devices at home, and if you see seven or eight devices here, then it means that somebody else is accessing your Wi-Fi network, or you might have used a different device or something like that. So just, yeah, this screen will let us know like how many devices are actually connected to our Wi-Fi network. So yeah, this is all about the video, guys. If you have any queries on this, you can drop a comment under my YouTube video. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.